Hello everyone, myself Naveen. Now we will see this question. Here the question given is if y is equal to sin x to the power of sin x to the power of sin x to the power of sin x up to infinity, then find dy by dx. Now we will see the conventional way of solving this question. Here y is equal to sin x whole to the power of sin x to the power of sin x to the power of up to infinity. Here we can write y is equal to sin x to the power of y, since this is similar to this. So now we take log on both sides. Here log y is equal to log of sin x to the power of y. We know here log of a power b can be written as b log a. So we apply this here. Log y is equal to y log of sin x. Now we differentiate on both sides. So d by dx of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx, and d by dx of y log of sin x. Now this is in the form of d by dx of uv. So d by dx of y into log of sin x plus y into d by dx of log of sin x. So here 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to log sin x into dy by dx plus y into dy by dx of log x is 1 by sin x. d by dx of log of sin x is 1 by sin x into d by dx of sin x is cos x. So here 1 by y into dy by dx minus log sin x into dy by dx is equal to y into cot x. So dy by dx is taken common here. dy by dx into 1 by y minus log sin x is equal to y cot x. So dy by dx is equal to y cot x by 1 by y minus log sin x. So it can be written as y square cot x by 1 minus y log sin x dy by dx is equal to. This is the solution for our given question. Now we will see the shortcut for this type of question. Here if the question given is if y is equal to f of x whole to the power of f of x whole to the power of f of x and so on, then find dy by dx. Here this can be written as y is equal to f of x whole to the power of y. So dy by dx can be directly given as dy by dx is equal to, now this is the shortcut for this type of question, dy by dx is equal to y square into f dash of x by f of x divided by 1 minus y log f of x. Or we can also write this as or y square divided by 1 minus, here this is in the form of b log a, we can write it as log a power b. So here we can write it as log of f of x to the power of y and f dash of x by f of x, or we can also write y square divided by 1 minus log of, here it is f of x to the power of y, so we can replace this as y, so into f dash of x by f of x. This is the shortcut for the given question. The answer may be one of this form. So for our previous question, here f of x is sin x here. So as you can see here, y square into f dash of x is f of x is sin x here. So f dash of x is cos x. F dash of x is equal to cos x, and f of x is sin x. So f dash of x by f of x is cos x by sin x is cot x. So y square into cot x by 1 minus y log f of x. Here f of x is sin x. So this is the shortcut for the given question. Now we will see one more question. Here the question given is, if y is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x, then dy by dx is equal to. Now we will see how to solve this question. Here y is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. We know cos x can be written as sin of pi by 2 minus x. Since sin of pi by 2 minus x is cos x, and sin x, similarly sin x can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus x. So sin of pi by 2 minus x divided by 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus x. Now we take pi by 2 minus x is equal to theta. So y is equal to tan inverse of sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. We know sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. Now we substitute that. Y is equal to tan inverse of sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled out, and cos theta by 2 will get cancelled out. So we get tan inverse of sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So we get tan inverse of sin by cos is tan theta by 2. Here tan inverse and tan will get cancelled out. So we get y is equal to theta by 2. Here theta is pi by 2 minus x. So pi by 2 minus x divided by 2. Here it is given to find dy by dx. So we differentiate on both sides. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of pi by 2 minus x divided by 2. So 1 by 2 into d by dx of constant is 0 and d by dx of x is 1. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the solution for our given question. So So you can get so many questions like this in our test series. If you want to register to our test series, link is given in the description. Follow us on Instagram, link is given in the description. And for more information, join our Telegram group. This link is given in the description. Thank you.